Let's go.
I thought we were jogging while I got water while the boy got sugar cane. Smile! Say Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Should I say party?
Hi!
Oh, I see.
Hey!
Okay, let's rest 4 minutes.
Back here in Orchard, we're going to buy some gifts for Luna and for Wally. It's nice. Can you remove your t-shirt? I want to see. That's the goods. Like it's Let me know if it's better than my Samsung.
Wala pa na siya noise cancelling.
What do you mean? You can't even hear me when I talk.
It seals, but it's not the technology.
Wally got his new AirPod. It's free from his credit card. That's your AirPod. Nice! My package is here. I'm so excited to open that. I'm gonna use that for Christmas. You'll see. It's an induction cooker.
Don't touch it.
Actually, don't sit on the pot. Why are you sitting on the pot? See?
What?
It's time to cook.
Nothing to cut yet.
Hey everyone, I'm going to be doing some gift wrapping because today is actually Christmas Eve. So I'm wearing this. I have not been vlogging the past few days because it just does not seem appropriate considering what's happening in the Philippines, in the Visayas and Mindanao specifically. But it's Christmas time, so we should be enjoying however we can. I'm going to be wrapping a gift because later tonight we're going to our friend's house for the noche buena. Gonna be bringing a gift, some wines and a cake. That's our contribution. Also, Luna's been enjoying Christmas so far because we put up a stocking outside in our terrace and told her that Santa gives her gifts if she's nice, as all parents do. And she's been very, very nice. And every day she wakes up so early in the morning and the first thing she does is open the door and check her stocking. We actually took a video every day, so I'll show you her reactions. Here you go. Nothing? Oh! Santa came?
The movie? What? A movie? Train. What? I love trains.
What happened? There's none? No present? There's no present? Let me see.
Oh no! Santa did not.
It's empty. What? How about that? Can you check? Smile.
No more socks?
What? I have a bigger gift.
What is that?
Look. Jenga.
Oh no!
Mommy, sorry. It's okay.
Will you have another gift?
This one's bigger.
Were you
It's
remove
Jenga.
Oh!
Wow, good job.
You're so cute. Where are we going?
Christmas party.
We are late because Luna didn't want to go. Luna was sleepy. Are you sleeping?
It's okay.
Yes, now she's excited.
Very excited.
So fun!
Pwede ko pala tingin ng sofa.
Do you like your gift, Lara?
Program na by every week may $10 kami.
Member friend kayo?
Oo, pero
Meron dito ang tinatawag na lock card. So yung lock card is basically, for example, nag-play si
Round.
Benjamin's gift. And then, while yung i-play ni counter ni lock, seal it, and then the word.
You can make palit.
Yes. The top 3 cards.
So make seal it and make palit the top 3. 1, 2, 3!
What's your card?
yes.
I won. Merry Christmas, everyone!
Candy.
Say Merry Christmas!
Candy today.
Yes! We've opened our gifts, we've heard mass, and now we're going to lunch with my cousin. We're going to a yakiniku place. Gyukaku. I miss yakiniku.
And
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with my uncle.
We had a late night yesterday. That was fun. Yum!
What if the world,
Merry Christmas! Show them your gift.
what if the wind could spread your love?
Hi!
What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
Smile, smile.
Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will.
You like that?
Maybe the sun will
Huh?
spread
You like to eat the little fishes, taiyaki? Luna, what do you do with that, Luna?
You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field.
While Luna likes her uncle, going to be staying here next week for... Yeah, we're going to be staying here because we will be homeless and we booked a hotel nearby. I'm home. I decided to have donut and coffee. Thanks for watching, everyone. Merry Christmas. Pope Francis said that we should appreciate all the little things because it is in the little things that we feel the presence of God. So I know it's hard, but hang in there. Bye!